If you could stop a natural disaster and save thousands or millions of lives, would you? Right now, we are in a position to prevent a natural disaster. I'm talking about asteroids. About twice a year, a sizable asteroid impacts Earth and puts us at risk. Most of the time, these explode at too high an altitude to cause any damage to the ground. But as you can see, asteroid impacts are not rare. Just 2 years ago, we had a wake-up call. An asteroid exploded near the city of Chelyabinsk, Russia, population over 1 million. That asteroid was 18 meters long, the size of a school bus. It blew out 100,000 windows, and over 1,500 people were injured. Shockingly, we had no advance warning. World space agencies and governments first learned about that asteroid on Twitter. There was a far more devastating asteroid that impacted near remote Tunguska, Siberia in 1908. That asteroid flattened trees for 830 square miles, the size of the Los Angeles basin. It had the energy of 300 Hiroshima bombs. So just imagine, if in 1908 that asteroid had impacted Earth a couple of minutes earlier or a couple of minutes later over a populated region, that asteroid impact would have been the defining event of the 20th century. So our challenge is detecting dangerous asteroids. We estimate there are nearly 1 million potentially dangerous asteroids in our inner solar system. Because of that, in 2005, Congress required NASA to find these dangerous asteroids. And so far, over 12,000 have been found. 12,000. That leaves us 987,840. It leaves us a lot more potentially dangerous asteroids to find. So, our solution? We need to build telescopes on land and in space to find these dangerous asteroids. It will take focus, it will take funding to build these telescopes and accelerate discovery. Once we find the dangerous asteroids, we know what to do. We're not going to blow them up like you see in the movies. Instead, we're going to deflect them. We'll launch some spacecraft that will push or pull the asteroids into a different orbit so that they're no longer on a path to impact Earth. With enough advance warning, we know how to deflect asteroids. But our challenge continues to be detection. We can't stop what we can't see. We can and should dare to defend our planet. Asteroid impacts are one natural disaster we know how to prevent. Thank you.